Welcome back to Juliagleesonlol. Today I'm going to do another Kmart slime. So yeah, I'm going to shout out to Nicola. See here, a shout out to her. She said she did it, so you get a shout out. And there's another dare she told me to do. I will do that end of the video. So yeah, don't forget to watch that. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you like that, comment down below I did it. And don't forget to subscribe and put the notification on if you're new here. So yeah, let's get into the video. So you've read from the title, we're doing some slime. So here. So these are, if you didn't see my other video from 3 days ago about the other slimes, there was like 2 glow in the dark ones. I lost half of it. I got no idea where it is, but I think it's somewhere in the house or just dried up. And this one, the pink one, the blue one, and this one. That's the boy one. And Nicole, she told me to do a dare, so I'll do the dare at the end. So don't forget to watch that. So yeah, so these are the ones. It's kind of fluffy. So today we have new ones, thankfully. We have the super brown putty. We have the unicorn poop. And we have the one. So yeah, first we're going to start with the mermaid one. That looks actually a good color. Just look at that. It doesn't really make a sound, but just listen. It doesn't really stretch. I have to pull it really hard. See if it can pop. I don't think I can form a bubble because it's really hard to stretch it. So no guys, I will give this probably a 5. I like the color, so a 5. But everything else, I think, is really a bad quality. So can't really stretch it. Doesn't really make that much sorry. It makes it a little bit, but yeah, it's not really good. Next we have the unicorn one. The pink one. Look at that pink, that's so bright. Wait. This one is so bright, just look at it. I don't think you can see it very well, but this one is so good. I'm gonna pat it. I think this one is a little bit better than the mermaid one. But I think, yeah, it's still kind of still the same. But I think you can pop this one, can I think? Not really. Can't really do anything but poke it and kind of stretch it. But yeah. So you'll be waiting for the putty. I opened this one because I'm trying to test it out before I do anything on it. I'm sorry guys, I spoiled it. But yeah, you haven't seen it yet, but yeah. This is really tight. It's tin. I have nails right now. I don't have any. Okay guys, I'll be back. I just need to get a spoon. So guys, I got the spoon. I'm trying to open this one. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Can't really twist it. I'm gonna get, my brother has another pudding, so I'm gonna get that instead. So guys, I finally got this open. This one's really hard now. My fingers really hurt. But yeah, thankfully it's open. Now I haven't touched it yet because it smells so bad and it has like bubbles in it. So I'm thinking this can pop. I'm going to touch it. This one is like when you put, it's really hard, I can't explain it. When you put if you put it like really hard like that, it doesn't really, you can like do it like a little pat, but it's really hard. But if you like sink your finger in, you can let your finger through. It's like, what is that word again? I forgot. I don't know, but it's so relaxing. And take it out. So by the way, if you didn't listen, this one is my brother's. This one is the green one. I don't know what happened to this one. I'm gonna try it one time. Yeah. So I heard this was really stretchy, so I'm gonna stretch it. This is so flipping stretchy. It can pop. If it can poke. It can poke when you go softly. So yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. But before we get on there, I'm gonna play this a little bit longer. Let's see. So I know this is pudding, but pudding can do all the things that slime can do. I never ever touched pudding before. Like this is the first time I ever touched it. Yesterday I touched it. Yeah, but it's also nice. If you hear stuff in the background, that's just nothing. Just the water things we do. But yeah, we're gonna go on to Nikki's there. So she said that, what if you put the slime to this? I'm gonna actually try it all. But yeah. So I'm really scared. It doesn't really do anything. It doesn't really stick in because I'm sorry for the you know, swearing. Yeah, so it doesn't stick in, thankfully. If it did, I'd be dead. I'd be screaming my head off because this cost $6 just to buy this. Oh, you just have to make it. It's a DIY too. So I'm gonna try. I don't think the slime will stick into any of this slime. Okay, let's be. So we're gonna try to put this in. I just put stars in it. This in. I'm gonna try to do into a tube. And the unicorn one, the unicorn, I don't know where it is, but it's the same color, yeah, it's the golden duck and the mermaid one. But yeah. Oh, this one can't stick into the mermaid. That's actually pretty surprising, like that. The same quality. This one is sticking onto the mermaid one. Oh god, this is a real nightmare. So guys, got nothing to say, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. And yeah, shout out to you, Nicole. But yeah, bye.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my